Okay, here let's talk about the Adobe Title Designer. In Adobe Premiere Pro, it has a built-in title tools. That's the Title Designer. This is a wonderful tool. You can create a still title or motion title in a minute. In here, I have an example. Like this one, I create a motion title, row title. It moves from the button up to the screen here, copyright 2003, moved into the screen to the video and our screen, like this, our the screen. This is the motion row title. And also you can create still title or crow title, move it from left to right like this for the crow title. And here you can create title from here. This is the title menu, the new title. At the beginning, you can decide you want to create a still title or a motion title as row or as crow, like this. Or if you want, you can create a title based on a template, so you can create a wonderful title in few seconds, like this. So you can easily create a title from here. And more about this, you can create a title from here, like this. This button is the same as you click on a default still title. Let's check it. Here, when you click it, a new title, the name, this is the name for the title. For the example, I will create a still title first, like this. I'll make it as the name still title and click OK to open up the title designer here. The title designer, like any panels, you can move it, resize it in here, like this here. And the title you can create as a still title or motion title. That's the option here, row crow option. Or if you want, you can open it up from here, row crow option. This is the same thing. And here the title type, here still title, row title or crow title. And at any time you can change the title type from still to row, from motion to still, or still to motion, like this. You can change it like this. Another one in here, the title type as the still title, they have no option. You can select from here, direction, and for the timing in frame, they have no option because this is the still title. And if you select row, you have the option for the timing. You roll from the button to the top, so you can select the post row, easy in, easy out, the post row here, pre-roll here. This is the time in frame, so you can set it how many easy in frame you want to make it as a 5 frame for the easy in, 10 frame for the easy out, or post roll, like this. You can keep the timing for 60 frames before it go out of the screen, or here 30 frames or whatever you want for the before it coming into the screen. So you can select the timing, make the timing here. Or if you want, you can just select start of screen, end of screen, and just control the easy in, easy out for the how it move, accelerator or decelerator, smooth in, smooth out. So you can select, make it in here as phrase. And if you have select a crow like this, you have more option on here. That's the direction. That means they have the crow is horizontally, he move from left to right or from right to left. So you can select the option here. And start in, start or start, and or, so you can select the timing, make the timing here. Okay, at the beginning I make it as a still image, a still title, so I select still in here. I don't change it here. And as a still title here, you can create title in here. This is the image. This the phrase image come from the sequence here. Like here, if you move to any phrase in the sequence here, it reflects the same phrase in here, like this option. If you don't want to show the phrase, you can disable it so they will not display the phrase in here. So you can create a title whatever you want in here, or if you need to position the phrase, the title in this, so I can enable the show video and move the CTI phrase, so you can move it, so you can position the title in the video here. This for the reference how you create a title based on the video, so you can show or not show the video on your title designer here. This is wonderful. Somehow you want to create a title and based on the video, so you can show it and easily you can position the text, the graphic on the title on the video, so you can show it. And for the example, I will disable here, so you can see the example here is more easily to see the title, the graphic in the screen here, like this. And here you can move it, change the text. For example, hi, how are you? Or you can create a graphic in here like this. You can select it. Also, you can have the parameter, the option, the title properties. Like here, you can change the color. Like this, change the color. The one like this, change for color gradient. Like this. So you can use the tools to make the title you want. Here. This is the way you can select the color, make the title. This is the still title here. Okay, here if you want, you can create a title from a template. From a template is a very easy and very fast. Another one, you can create a title based on a template, or if you want, you can open up the template here. After you create the title, you can change that. Another one, you have the title designer presets and the user template. The user template in here, that's empty. In here I have not saved any title in here. If you want, you can save the current template and make it as here, save the still title. The still title here, that's the name for my title here. So save this title as a template, so you can reuse the template, or if you want, you can import the template. Okay, and here we can create or change the template, change the title here. We can change the template, change the title like this. We can select it like this, music title. Okay, click apply. Here, this will change the title here. So you can just double click it, music subtitle, or if you want, you can create for anything you want. For example, order. Okay, this order for the video is YONG, that's my name. Okay, Lin, that's my name. So you can change it, so you can create this wonderful title based from the template here, just in a minute. Order a music composer, like this, so you can create a title in here, very easy. Okay, so you can save here like this. As you close it, here the still title here, so you can move it in your sequence here. They display here like this. When you double click it, this will open up the title in the title designer, so you can modify the title like this. You can modify it, and viewing the video, for example, you can modify the title, change the color. gradient like this. That's wonderful. Let's check it. Close it. Here it reflects from here. This is how you create a title in here, a still title. And more about this, we can create a motion title. The motion title in here, we can create a row. We call this row title. Row title from the button. Okay, of course it's from the button. Right here we have this is the video display on the sequence. If we move to another frame, enable here like this, I will remove this title from my sequence. Move it up here. Okay, don't show the video. Okay, as the row title, it moves from the button to the up to the top on the screen. And for the motion timing, I don't set any. I don't want to make it. That means a constant move from button to the upper side on the screen. And here I have the vertical row bar here, so we can create a title like this. All the like this you can create it. It move row from button to the up like this, a vertical long title here. So we close it. Here you see the icon. This is a video icon. That's the motion title. We can check it. Okay, at the beginning is our screen. And move in. Okay, let's check it. Move in. Just at the beginning, it show you the first. I will double click it. I want to make it as row, start or screen, end or screen, like this. Here. It start or screen like this. It move from the button up to the screen. Here you see, up to the screen, then out of the screen, out of the video. That's roll from button to the top here. That's row title. Here. If you want, you can change the behavior, how it is in, is out, to make some fine tuning for the motion about the row. Okay, and here we remove it from the sequence, and I'll create another one. That's the crow title. I call this crow, and this crow from the left, or just like this, left, from the left crow left. Here I will select the option crow left, and okay, start or end or screen. And here the crow, they have a horizontal scroll bar here, so we can create crow or the yawn or whatever. Okay, just create something like this. That is, so we have a long horizontal bar like here. You can move it, and let's check it. Close this and move it here. Here you see the title here move from right to the left. Our screen, start or screen, end or screen, like this, from right to the left. That's the crow title. And we can create, of course, if you know it, crow right like this. From left to right, here the option you see. Start a screen, end a screen, motion is in, okay, is in templates, is out 5 frames, like this. Close title. Horizontal bar, same thing you can create. Ding 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 ding, same thing. Like this, you can create a horizontal title here, and give a flow from left to right. We close it and remove this one and put this one on. Here you see it scroll from left to right, easy in, easy out. You cannot see the motion, of course. Like this, you cannot see the motion. When you want to fine tuning for the motion, you can make it easy in, easy out, start or screen, out or screen, like this. This is the things you can create. Motion title like this, and a still title here. And more than this, very easy. Just create a title from a template like this. Create this, you can select the template. Okay, like the template here. Here we can change the name, so you can create template very easy. For example, here Visual Training Studio, like this. So you can close it, move it. Here you see, this is the title. You just create a wonderful title from a template here, very easy. Okay, and more about the option in the template, I'll show you one by one. This is the way you can create still motion title or still title from a template. More of the option in here, we can create a title. You can put a name, new title for my video, like this. So we can create a title from here, and I want to show the phrase. Get the title, I will move it at the beginning or whatever. Okay, just disable the phrase here. We can create title from here. Okay, let's start it.